Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block a YouTube channel on YouTube. First thing, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's scroll and try to find channel that we want to block. Let's say for example we want to block a Bloomberg television, right? You want to click on Bloomberg, right? Now when we are at the Bloomberg YouTube channel, let's click on three dots on the top right corner, right? Then you want to click on report user or hide user from my channel. So what this do? Let me explain what are the difference between both options. First of all, if you click hide user from my channel, this simply means that Bloomberg YouTube channel will not see my content. Bloomberg YouTube channel will not be able to comment on my channel, and Bloomberg will essentially not be able to interact with me, my content, and my channel at all. Is this what we want to do? I don't know what's your goal. The second option is to report user, okay? If you want to report the user, right, you can simply go to the different options over here and simply click the reason for why you want to report. Is it something that bothers you? Is it something that is wrong? You can click report user and you can select harassment, privacy. You can block it for privacy. Okay, this is simply an option from YouTube. I didn't know that this is something new in my opinion. Also, you can have hate speech, spam and scam. None of this is my issue. If you click none of this is your issue, right, you're probably gonna get a different option over here from YouTube guidance, right? The reasons could be fake engagement, impressionating, external links, playlists, additional policies, sensitive content, vulgar language, harmful, via misinformation, medical. This is simply, in my opinion, related to stuff that are in direct correlation with the YouTube guidance. If you have the desktop version of the YouTube, you will be able actually to go on the channel and click on the three dots like we did over here. And usually on the desktop version, you will be able to block the channel. Obviously, this feature is still not yet available, especially here on the iPhone, the iOS version. I don't know if you guys using Android, you might have the option to block the channel straight from here, but the mobile version doesn't let us do so. So if it's like a crazy emergency and you really don't want to see this channel and there is a reason, very important, there is a reason behind it, you can hide the channel and you can hide yourself from this particular channel, your content in your videos. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.